President, Mr. Doji Jamila.
The 17th Jawa Karmapa has kindly composed a poem for these special occasions.
Maru Shinki Japan Jesse, Homa Chipi, Cho Hanji, Judo Dujang, Hankan Zipi Chashi, Zayang Mujumba, Sishin, Rincho Hamin Nandi, Denzi Jaso, Chetapi,
Ngumbo Chichi, Geli Shivi, John the Shanchupa Zhong.
Sibe Kanga, Tama Kibe, Chagi Mozi Gube Tui.
Gosun Kangfu, Rushi Yu, Shichi Nisu Dorwe Tse, Ang Namde Böse Nibe, Saya Chuki Pebanga, Liwen Hambe Ponya Kiri, Tuto Chaba Shifu Pe.
公益的娘亲送的牛逼，得想准备让绿钱。喜马拉雅如果给的养猪爬的白瓦伊，给的们那苏格家亲，南西瓦的拉这的，要话以为春节决定，前年过年的不是。
Serendipity and good karma have brought us all together on this auspicious occasion to collectively celebrate love and compassion in honor of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. I'm so deeply grateful. Thank you everyone for coming and for making this special.
Mr. Wijinson's courage and determination are deeply inspiring, and we are honored to welcome you today to this celebration of compassion-based resilience.
Help us in this situation, and the wisdom of His Holiness can serve as an inspiration. So I say, happy birthday, Your Holiness. Thank you.
Tibetan government in exile and the Tibetan community worldwide will be marking His Holiness 90th birthday with great celebration.
With His Holiness and the Tibetan people. Welcome, Dalai Lama.
I will introduce now. We have Tenzin Chozum on Team Orange. Can we have a round of applause?
What exactly is compassion? Compassion by definition means to be sympathetic, pitiful, and concerned for the sufferings or misfortunes of others. I'd like to read a quote by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. As a social animal, this is a brother, sister, showing a smile, showing happiness, you feel happy. This was said by His Holiness the Dalai Lama at the global launch of Sea Learning Day 2. If someone you see is feeling joyful or happy, you naturally feel that. We are humans and that is a natural instinct to feel. Likewise, if they were upset or sad, we also feel that. All humans feel this way.
Good afternoon everyone, and good afternoon to our esteemed judges here today. On this auspicious occasion to celebrate His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday, I am deeply honored to get this opportunity to share my views on how compassion can be used for the betterment of our lives and our world. Think about figures like Mother Teresa, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, or even Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. What do they all have in common? Besides being famous around the world, they lived with kindness and care for others. Their empathy and dedication to helping others weren't just admirable traits. They were central to their success and allowed them to live very meaningful lives.
Hello everyone, my name is Tenzin Chozum, and I believe that compassion can lead to a successful life, help with your resilience, and make the world a better place. As the Dalai Lama said, compassion is a necessity, not a luxury. Compassion can bring you to a successful life, because if you think about it, a successful life is to be able to accomplish your life's goal. Your life's goal could be to own a building or to own a store, right? And some people, maybe they just want a big house in their life. And then you could ask them, why would you want that big house? And they would say, oh, because I have such spacious rooms. And you'd ask them, why would you want spacious rooms? And they could say, because it makes them happy. As you can see, a lot of people look for happiness in a materialistic point of view.
Good afternoon. The human brain is complex and full of wonders.
But I believe that out of all of the amazing abilities that our brain gives us, our power to be compassionate and empathize with others is what has allowed us to succeed as a species. Research has shown that our Neanderthal ancestors survived the challenges of their time through cooperation and compassion. So, what is compassion? His Holiness the Dalai Lama recognizes compassion as the heartfelt desire to help others, together with the wisdom that suffering is a shared human experience.
Today I want to talk about something simple yet incredibly powerful, compassion. In a world that's currently facing many disputes such as war, division, inequality, and suffering, we often forget that one of the most important strengths that a person can have is the ability to show compassion and care deeply for others. It's easy to get caught up in our own lives and overlook what others might be going through, but compassion is what keeps us connected, grounded, and human.
Right now, my grandparents are living in India, but their home is in Tibet. Like my grandparents, thousands of Tibetans have become refugees. His Holiness the Dalai Lama had to make many decisions during those hard times, but he never chose violence. He chose compassion instead. My understanding of compassion is to feel empathy for someone when they are suffering, responding kindly, and expecting nothing in return. I also attend a class on social, emotional, and ethical learning. From that class, I learned mindfulness.
Samlo tangdang da mazo karchil nambay mini se da di kani chidang dungel se da ta mangbo chi yong da ni de la ba mazo dungel ki ka rajin pa ta da ni na ta mazo ka ti ka ne ka rajin tong da ni se la shi de mewa ani ka ne rajin yong da ko so cha ka de la ni na sa yong da ta di ko tong da.
Next, we will enjoy Tibetan language recitation from students at the capital Tibetan Areas Association School. The recitation will explore compassion, mindfulness, and other themes of today's event.
수레 가들라 gelok 파마 체베 구튼조 니달 좀바 교회 같은 일 찬세 같은 셈나 창내게
임시 종래 가tor 송나양 톡톡 심바 에버 그방교 시제 니키 셈베 촉사이 공봉 니키 가딘 제타베
Kifin günla çamsela günse İri kirmen jikü düşünse Doyun beki ben lapınse Zamlık şidet pebin senin tam
강체습의 공격 파마신 신태 참새 쌉을 먼저타 가급 민창 배출 휴신배 시대 모양 배출 셈수게
잠세 메도 강설 셰파탐 덴들 견션 툰기 루파탐 거종 라왕 덴베 니마샤 구체샤베 텐신 제팅게
Gelmek kodun sumsi şişindu Gelmek kepe çetse Lapça laflendar Gewa kepe çepa ait Gelmek kutse şapete paşa
Dün naso namare Lame çela kumhituka Lame çela çamsere Çamsemena şidemena itime
Manso ari rawan mohaya rawanti namne kumanare tini eleki mono chutumare wenkyan mansola kekayo kekamena rawan behome kekam komkite manse lengene
마음 안에 원내래 남서다 남카마 남서다 회왕마 남서 아리 생생 제초 남서 락세 아코 제초 오강 에바 메나 마원 쇼르도 마원 높나 요체 높죠 목tuk소 아원 배 제르두 에바제
Nous avons
탕체도 공도 매도면이 균트 정세공회 남마 슈페세 균키 비키 토끼 공미기스
Jamse sende jenu koni chetomi, jenma jamse samba kuni manguju, rangi jula, jenme jenrife. Dangwap teta kumsa choki yangamsu.
다시들의 예민까지 장ling 유튜브 큐나 신의 얇게 첨부초 내가 강연 가연 셀귤 대대 특혜유 회견 생기 강연 셀귤 잠재 교밭에 공사 얇게 첨부초기 양양송
다시들의 예민까지 지라 옆에 나도 감시 있잖아 생기기 복귀시키다 당신은
Dalai Lama Kaujin Ruputor, Kuzetin Dalai Yomaka, Honkuzet Tilota Batam, Hershey Chen Yatum Yawasha.
상계 공기 수계 투투 나츠센 나 시대 톱소 상계 공기 가치 시투 나츠 미지 교와 신소
Tula Damli Bekan, Anglin Zungi Sue, Zamling Pende Zawa, Kenny Shide Bebe.
Soki, Peyu Rubai Shuja, Kewa Dinzi Jatso, Kangshin Peki Lewang, Zamling Yongla Jackson.
Kanwa Shantam Pepe, Yagar Tale Luwan, Juntan Lota Tupe, Guntam Chichok Tune, Guntam Bimi Jackson. Luwan Chuchu Lapa, Zamling Yungla Gonyo, Yorab Chika Buma, Jackson Pamo Jawi, Emi Yetu Jackson.
Hagen Kuchur Pemkin, Niki Luar Shukir, Shiche Puban Yoki, Kutin Yila Chicho, Kutin Tenrok Shuri.
Sacho, Kutin Shapete Menata, Samala, Presidente, Martin Mishini, Yenina Tumushi, Jacob Shugi, Zula Nesim Chanyang, Delen Pencil Dempe, Lindimi, Yoma, Shidela Tenchimo, Pala Pempa Duktu, Penenuki Jelian, Tome Chansi, Gampe, Kenny Shide Gatso. Follow Tashibere, Mother Kimberly, Zoe, Sachoki, Mobeji, Kodi, Chichi. Chutney, Tango Jasmine, Juju Chibor Ocean, Zamling Wang to Gilwe, Shide, Koku Chimo, Shide, Deku Chimbo, Captain Tinsin Gatso, Gedo Yonki Chepi, Ute Tios the 잡지지결에 땡기나디에 이모지 미치기 다출러다는 세트그래 잡지 이래서 나타났대 아버지 인제 스리락사
This is a certificate of achievement. It reads, This certificate is hereby awarded to the Student Council in recognition of outstanding service and dedication as a Student Council member of Capital Area Tibetan Association Beacon Language School during the academic year 2024 to 2025, signed by the principal. Us to our graduating students.
The most exciting and fun parts of our whole events. Look at how our students are so eagerly waiting. And I'm saying that the turn the songs here and Yamdola that you do so Mambuchi Gula, also Gentleman Jana Yere. But Jento did now Pena Song Gentore, Injika, Very Song Gentore, and it then she and Mutia, Maso, and Song Gento, rather than Joy. The schedule 3 and 2 Pugunani, that is Song Shaka Tonita, and it under the Rumuk Shaka Toni, so last of that the Musuma, Sidati, Vijay.
Achievement reads, this certificate is proudly presented to the student for winning first, second, and third among high school students in the English language essay contest, a celebration of love and compassion, honoring the 90th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, hosted by Johns Hopkins University and the Capital Area Tibetan Association on May 4, 2020.
Writing competition. Somebody down, Amo.
Congratulations, everyone. And second place, of course, we have Team Orange. Congratulations, Team Orange. Congratulations. Finally, Tenzin Daze. Congratulations, Team Orange.
가다.
Samala, just the